game Minecraft, but I cannot touch the color blue. So we build a new world to spawn. Where I was spawn? Okay, a snow biome. So guys, I'm a new player in Minecraft, and my name is 61Sai. So please guys, subscribe, please now. Okay. So I live in the Philippines. So please guys, pwede na akong mag-Tagalog. Okay ngayon guys, ang goal natin nga na hindi makahawak ng forward to the so we need to get our food. Okay. Let's start now. So we need a crafting table. Also gonna touch the color. So we're going to crafting table. See, oh no, not a pressure tip stick, and we need to craft a pickaxe to get a a, a stone, iron, and diamonds. Okay, let's start, guys. Please, guys, mag-subscribe kayo sa 61 Sai. Please, guys. Please. For the foods. Okay, let's go. We need to find a village to have a food. Or a cave. Oh my god. I can. Tanga ko talaga, no?